Today, I am on the hunt for a new motor for Ironman. I got a few things that I need to go do before I go do that. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I got my wife with me. And we get ready to hit the gym. And we headed to a junkyard. I guess you should say a Savage Yard. We say junkyard, but Savage Yard over in Warner Robins, Georgia. And we have to physically go out there and look for this motor. So I like to say, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of gym footage and we're gonna head over there. So y'all just hang out with me today, man. Before I forget to say this, God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. At the gym, man, y'all see where we at, Planet Fitness. Gonna go ahead and get it in, man. It's leg day for me. We'll get y'all a little footage and we're gonna keep it moving. Session over with. We're finna go find somewhere to go grab something to eat at, and then we headed to look for this motor, man. I want to say this real quick, man. See y'all getting in the gym, man. I know y'all ain't got time. I know, but I think you should get in the gym. I think you should try to get in there one time a week to begin with. You know what I'm saying? Like, we into these cars, we like these cars, man, but you also have to, you know, try to do your health. You know, we like to get the money because we like to spend it in these cars, man. But health and wealth go together. They go together, man. So y'all get in that gym, man. We finna go find something to eat. And we'll be back in with y'all, man. And we are easy to pull and pay. Made a video out here before. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it up here for you. Go watch it. But we out here and we at the first one. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trucks to try to find what I need. This one ain't looking too good because the valve covers are missing off of this one. So we're gonna keep it moving. Come in and give them a better shot of that. The valve cover missing off of this one. Don't fall, little lady.
I'm trying to make sure they can see.
Valve cover missing off that side, so I don't know what's missing. So missing off both sides. So this is not a candidate. We're gonna keep it moving. You can just keep recording, that's fine. I'll figure these roads out. I'm guessing this got to be 106, so it's another one on this road. 2876. 29, 17. Unless this is the same road, maybe. That's a V6. This ain't one, that's a V6. This might be 2692. No, they ain't nobody on here either. That's about the road. That one worked. The way these prices looking on these, I might have to go LS, y'all. I know y'all don't want me to, but ooh, that LS pretty up under there too. Everything there, except for that. I don't know, y'all. You see it?
I'm a little short.
Got a little 5'3". I think that's a 5'3". If I had to guess. I'm gonna stick it in there. Let me see what this is. Yep, 5'3". 5'3" in that bad boy. Look, that one in good shape. This one ain't got the right heads on it. I don't even know if this is a 5'7" or not. Yeah, but this one ain't got the right heads on it. I need the heads with the triple spikes. The Vortex head. This might not even be a V8. It might be a V6. That might be a mistake. Dang, I don't even know what's going on. The finger on I ain't seen. 3981. Right body style. Can't see the head. So. See what year this one is. This one actually one of the best ones I've seen, to be honest with you. Got all the searching on the front, bag cover still on it. This one actually don't look half bad. See what year this is. For the people that don't know, you come in the door of a lot of these things and get the year. So this is the wrong year. It's a February. So right there in the door. February 1995. Get all your information right there. So this is the wrong year. I need 90. I don't know if they, I can't remember if they made the Vortex heads that I'm looking for. I don't see the spikes on it. I don't see the triple spikes, but that's blocking. So we're gonna keep it moving. 2004 5.3 LS. It look rough though. Got some old cars out here. Show them that old truck, old Dodge van, old Ford van. Old truck. Got a nice highly carburetor on there. I gotta try to remember these roads, bro. I didn't know what road. Here go your roads right there. They're on the vehicle. Just pan and show them 101, 102, 103. It's at the first vehicle on every road. The heads are gone. Somebody got the heads off of this one. So yeah, heads gone off of this one. And the block done got rained in, so this is no good. At least not for me. Since I know what hours they're on, I'm gonna go look for an LS motor. Let's go look for an LS. Come on. Let's go look for an LS. Have 6 O's in it. Don't fall.
A little too late for that.
Sometimes the Yukon have 6 O's in it. I don't know if this one or not, but sometimes they do.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember this. There's an old folks with a 5.3. Haven't quite found what I'm looking for yet. But we might be looking for an LS here soon, y'all. Let's see what year this thing is. 98. 98. But I don't know if it's a 5.7 or not. Because they look the same. 5.7 or 5. What's the name? Because they look exactly the same. This hoodie Escalade had 6 O's. For sure. There's a motor here. 28, 33, 45. Yes, sir. I know this is 6 O's. 5.3? I thought all the Escalades had 6 O's in them. Bad day, because I don't want no 5.3. It's 6 O's.
5 or something?
I need that intake. That's the intake. But but it ain't the this probably a 5.3 if I had to guess. Probably a 5.3. Look, he got a lot of miles on it. If I need a 5.3, well, I am doing a 5.3 on the S10. I don't know if you've seen the S10, but we got an S10. We're gonna be putting a 5.3 in that probably. I don't know. 2005, 5.3. Nothing to find a 5.3. 6.0 is hard. You guessed it, 5.3.
5.3.
You guessed it. 5.3. No 6.0. Oh, yeah. That's a cow. That's a bird. Sick of this.
5.3.
Who got all the 6.0s? Here go a Hummer. I know for sure Hummers have 6.0s in them. 100%. Now if there ain't no 6.0 in this Hummer, I'm mad. I don't want no 5.3. I already got a 5.3 in the air conditioner. Before we go over here, y'all let me know. Is it even a motor in here? Y'all think it's a motor here? I'm gonna ask my wife. You think it's a motor in here?
And this one right here?
Yeah, in this. Think it's even a motor in there?
No. I'm sorry.
Bring them around. Bring them around. Let's go. V6. Put them on the G-Body. Get your front brake up. Alright, man, so today was not a success. Didn't find what I was looking for. Didn't see nothing. Saw one complete 5.7, but it had the wrong heads on it. So no good to me. Then I said, let's look for a 6.0. Couldn't find a 6.0. So very unsuccessful day, but we'll be back, man. I'm gonna show y'all where we at. Easy pull and pay, man. I had to put the information up here for y'all, man, so y'all can go check them out. When you come in, say, man, Pulls TV sent me here. Pulls TV sent me up here to look for my stuff. So go check out another video.